I'm Chris and I love Faces of Dave.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
Oh, that was a close one. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, it's David Scoggins. I'm out here again. Thanks for joining in, Faces of Dave family, barefoot running people. We are out here today in Anaheim Hills. Oh, yeah. Anaheim Hills. We're out here running. We got two ways we can go. We can go this way, this is a bike path, and we can go this way, which looks like it's going uphill. So, whew, a lot of skippity paps up through here. Swivels, it's kind of empty. Not a lot of people here. They call these the Anaheim Hills. This place is called Santiago. What's that? Santiago Regional Park and Mountain Lion Risk. So we're going to be careful. We're going to do this. Faces of Dave family, wish us the best. And here we go up this hill. All right, here we go. Whew. Wow. Skippity paps already. Now, first thing you gotta notice out here, there are bugs everywhere. And I don't know if they're just trying to eat up this sunblock I have on. But going uphill.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Watching you.
Yeah. These bugs out here are relentless. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay. Well, look at these views. Got 3 ways to go. Oh. Ooh, doggy. Yeah, this is true. Oh, gotta make sure we don't fall down this one. Oh, that is. Whoa. Okay. All right. Whew. Look at that. Over there. You see that little rock formation? I'm quite sure that's where something lives off in there.
Barefoot.
Yeah. So it's got multiple trails going through here. I don't know which one I want to go on. And I went back the other way. I just took the one to the right. Whew. Public announcement. Don't put sunblock on your face because when you sweat, it burns your eyes. Yeah, I'm looking like I'm a meth addict. Oh, sharp turn. Oh, my eyes are burning so bad. How are you guys doing today?
1 mile.
Oh my God, these bugs. They're everywhere out here. My eyes are burning so bad. I need to see, I need to know what's going on in these bushes off to the side. See, look at that. Looks like something's been sleeping off in there. It's all flat. Oh, my eyes are burning. Oh my God, these bugs. They're everywhere out here. My eyes are burning so bad. I need to see, I need to know what's going on in these bushes off to the side. See, look at that. Looks like something's been sleeping off in there. It's all flat. Oh, my eyes are burning. Zigzags. Going up this hill. What do you guys say? We having fun yet?
No.
You said no? Hi. It's possible you guys can carry me back.
Oh, what happened to your shoes?
I traded them in at the beginning of the run. Turning into this treacherous looking cliff here. Looking off in the valley, gotta be careful. Afraid of heights. Oh yes, it's getting thin up here now. Oh boy. Gotta keep looking around too, best I can. Oh my God, I can't see. Oh, downhill goodness. Bad thing is, when I go back, this is downhill. It's going to become uphill. Oh man, these bugs. Oh, ouch, skippity paps. Oop, Oh, what a view of the valley from here. Yeah, what a view.
1.2 miles, 27 minutes.
Hi, you guys gonna be able to make it up this hill?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You look, oh my God, look at you.
What about me?
How long you been doing this?
Oh, for about 13 years. How long? Oh, almost 2 miles.
Good. Awesome. You need to wear shoes.
I know.
Don't step on anything.
I'll try not to. You too. A turnaround point right there. Those two guys right over there. I don't know if you could have seen them. I got to catch those two guys. Then I can turn around and head back. So I need to pick it up so I can catch them. You guys are my turnaround point. Yep. I said I was trying to catch you guys the whole time. Now I can turn around.
You should have told us you would have been jogging.
You guys are crazy. Thanks. Still heading back. Oh, my eyes are burning so bad. Oh. Oh. God. Oh, my eye. Oh, I can't see. Hope I didn't mess my eyes up for real. Oh, look at this little path. Right here. I know, David, you're supposed to be going back. What's your problem? I don't know. I just want to see what this path is going to do. Oh my goodness. Look at that craziness. Oh boy. Whoa, it is. Uphill. Whoa. I don't think I'm supposed to be up here. Oh yeah. This is up super steep. Little steep drop off down here. Oh yeah. Hey, where am I? Going up in the mountains, going up in the mountain, going up in the mountain, going up in the mountain. Seriously though, I need to head back. I've been out here too long. The sun is coming out, it's getting hot. The ground is getting hot. I can't see. My eyes are burning. That would have went up to the top of the hill, but feet getting hot. Been out here too long. Got to get some water and hydrate. Down it hill. Can't fall, hopefully. Whoa. Whoa, what was that? Something ran off in the bushes over there. Whoa. Get off from up here. Something big ran off in the bushes over there. Let me get myself back home. My eyes are burning so bad. It's making my head hurt so bad. Whew. Barely seeing walking by this cliff right here. Oh man, eyes are burning. I figured out why those bugs are coming after me. This big bright green shirt. I think I'm some kind of a green plant or something.
3.2 miles.
I was wondering who was out here barefoot.
Yeah, it's me.
You, huh? Toughening up the feet.
Yeah.
You do it a lot, or?
Every time. Part of my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna make it?
I'll make it.
Okay.
I'm out here about 2-3 times a week.
Okay, good for you.
What's your name?
David.
David John.
John,
Good
David.
to meet you.
Good to meet you, sir. Ooh. Okay. Looks like we made it back to the beginning. We made it back safe. had in one piece. No mountain lions, no rattlesnakes, no nothing. Just me, these feet, this heat, couple of hills, couple of skippity paths, no problem. So, thanks again for joining me here. I appreciate it. We're running here in Anaheim Hills. If you're not doing anything, get up, get out and do it. Faces of Dave family. David Scoggins is out of here.